Okay, I bought a replacement drive mode switch for this car because this is a 2021 Ford Expedition, and I have seen online people that have replaced this switch with the, I believe it's a 2024 or newer switch, and it gives you a 4 high button, and from what they've shown, that works. So I want to try it on this car. There is the part number for anybody that needs it, and I can post that in the comment or the description below. So I have not taken this apart yet, so we're going to figure this out, but I believe it is lifting up on these. Pops that console loose, and then it looks like there is a switch release on either side of this. There it started on that side. And there the switch is up. There are little hooks on this, so don't just try and yank it out. That definitely will not work. Pop that one out. Make sure I have this lined up straight. Connect that. Push that new switch in. And pop that down, and now I have a new drive mode selector, and I'm not going to hit my brake button because I don't actually want to start the car, but I will bring the camera over. It is in 2-wheel drive, it is in 4 auto. I have to shift to neutral to get to 4 low. And it is in 4 high. And at some point I will take this thing for a spin and see if I can actually demonstrate that it is truly in 4-wheel drive. I know on some of my older vehicles it was pretty obvious if you made a really tight turn on dry ground. Alright, 4 auto, 2 high, 4 high, go back to 2 high. We're going to go for a little drive. And we'll go to power distribution. Let's just go straight to 4 high and see what it looks like. What I am hoping to feel is the tight steering, where you feel a wheel hop that you get when most vehicles are in 4 high. We're going to switch to 4 auto because I'm on dry pavement. Okay, nice empty parking lot, relatively empty parking lot. We're going to shift into 4 high, and we are going to crank the wheel hard to the left and see how she behaves. Oh, you definitely can feel it binding up. It is truly in 4-wheel drive. And if we go to 4 auto and do the same thing, she just rolls. Just to show I can continue to do it. And we'll see if it shows up on camera, but I will switch back to 4 high, all the way to the left. you can very much feel oh, there it is. Very much feel it. Tires gripping. Awesome. It works. And just to make sure everything's working, we're in neutral. And it is in low four-wheel drive. And we will switch to drive. And you definitely can tell she's in low 4. We'll switch back to neutral. Go to too high. Back to drive. And now we can drive home. And now one thing that bugged me about this vehicle is finally fixed.